uchiagotenda ekiombe kya bochone chimbebe IEBC ni gold koria rero ensemeri ya Legal Justice and Affairs yenya kabagukirana mune chiremo yakwanike ngoli bali bonsi babete bagochorwa ase ensemeyo ukwana achinga kecho niko omunya kirogo bwekiombe kya bochone chimbebe IEBC asireta Erastus Edang Ethekon kurwa ase ensemeri county ya Turkana Uyere taliali abati gochorwa muno muraibensi ya Kenya Muske Dr. William Samuruto niganya kubikirana bosyo bwe committee yo ya parliamentary legal justice and affairs ninchire moyo connecting oberga kulingolwa nona bonigo Muske Erastus Ethekon aberga otamna nyako wali bagelio ni garachi kokora emirmu yae asenchira yekene nobwasiku.
These are questions that even I, since I was nominated as chair, have been asked by fellow citizens outside there. In fact, last night I was at a barber shop and the barber asked me, Chair, do you think we will ever have free and fair elections in Africa? Not Kenya alone. But I knew, of course, where it was going. So to answer your question, Honorable Chair and members, I think I took this role knowing very well that there's a lot that is expected from us. There's a lot of issues that Kenyans are worried about. The issues, of course, of guaranteeing them free and fair election as per the Constitution. The issues of credibility, the issues of trust. And for me, I think if we address the issue of elections, we must, as Kenyans, begin by trusting in ourselves, because trust begins with us. When we trust ourselves, then we begin to look at what are the legal frameworks that are there to help us, for example, navigate through issues of governance in this country. That is when we begin to look at the Constitution and trust it. Does our Constitution serve us? Does it work? What does it say? The institutions that have been created by that Constitution to manage our elections, including our electoral management body, the IEBC, and others that are supposed to support that electoral management process. Do we trust in those institutions? Do we trust in the people that have been given the responsibility and the public trust to manage those institutions? Do we trust the laws that have been passed by this honorable house, by our parliament, and the regulations that govern the electoral processes? So when, honorable chair and members, when we as Kenyans begin to ask those questions, I think we'll be heading in the right direction, such that then those of us who are lucky, those of us who have come out courageously, and it must be really courageous, because when I applied for this job, I was told this is the hot seat, I don't even go there, we don't know whether to congratulate you or to, all sorts of things. So those of us who have come out who have stepped out to provide leadership in our electoral management body and processes, we begin then to tell Kenyans, we will play our role as IBC, I will play my role as chairperson, in the sense that I will be guided by the Constitution of Kenya and the laws of Kenya, and that through that fidelity to the law, I should be able to follow all the laid down processes that will lead us to credible, free, fair, verifiable elections. So my point is, Honorable Chair, is that we have to begin by trusting in ourselves. Number two, trusting that our Constitution works, that our laws governing our elections work and we can be implemented, and that we will comply with these laws, and that then the institutions created to manage our elections are given an opportunity and that benefit of doubt to be able to work and to deliver results.
Right,